animosity, strong hostility or resentment, typically resulting in dislike or hatred. Hostility, hatred, bitterness, enmity, rancor. There was a deep animosity between the two rivals that lasted 40 years. The animosity between the two countries has only grown since the conflict began. Despite their animosity, they were forced to work together on the project. Devise. To plan or invent something with careful thought and consideration. Create, design, formulate, develop, invent. The team worked together to devise a new strategy for the marketing campaign. Scientists are trying to devise a more efficient way to recycle plastic. He devised a clever solution to fix the broken machine. Eminent. Famous and respected within a particular sphere or profession, outstanding or notable. Renowned, distinguished, prominent, notable. Dr. Sharma is an eminent scientist known for his groundbreaking research in genetics. The conference featured several eminent speakers. She became an eminent figure in the art world. Disparity. A significant difference or inequality, especially one that is unfair. Inequality, discrepancy, gap, imbalance. The disparity in income between the rich and poor is a pressing social issue. There is a clear disparity between the quality of education in urban and rural areas. The study highlights the gender disparity in leadership roles across industries. Feasible. Possible to do easily or conveniently, capable of being achieved. Practical, achievable, viable, attainable. The plan to build a new park in the city is feasible if funding is approved. It's not feasible to complete the project by tomorrow without extra help. The engineer proposed a feasible solution to reduce energy consumption. Flourish. To grow or develop in a healthy or vigorous way, especially as a result of a favorable environment. Thrive, prosper, bloom, succeed. The business flourished under new management. Plants flourish in well-drained soil and adequate sunlight. Her artistic skills flourished during her time abroad. Vindicate. To clear someone of blame or suspicion, to justify or prove something right. Exonerate, justify, defend, absolve. New evidence was found that vindicated the wrongly accused man. The success of her project vindicated her bold decisions. He felt vindicated after the board accepted his proposal. Unfathomable. Impossible to understand or comprehend. Immeasurable. Incomprehensible. Insecurable. Deep. Infinite. The complexity of the universe is truly unfathomable. Her grief was so intense that it seemed unfathomable to others. The depths of the ocean are still largely unfathomable. Stringent. Strict, precise, and exciting, often referring to rules or standards. Rigorous, severe, demanding, inflexible. The company follows stringent quality control procedures. New laws introduced stringent penalties for polluters. Her parents imposed stringent rules about curfews. Reclusive. Avoiding the company of other people, solitary or withdrawn. Isolated, solitary, reserved, antisocial. After his retirement, he became increasingly reclusive and rarely left the house. The writer led a reclusive life in the countryside. She was known for her reclusive nature, preferring books to social gatherings. Pristine. Clean and fresh as if new, unspoiled. Untouched, immaculate, spotless, unpolluted. The pristine beaches of the island attract thousands of tourists every year. After the renovation, the house looked pristine and modern. She kept her kitchen in pristine condition. Pragmatic. Dealing with things sensibly and realistically, rather than theoretically. Practical, realistic, rational, sensible. The manager took a pragmatic approach to solving the company's financial issues. A pragmatic solution is often better than an idealistic one. Her pragmatic mindset made her an excellent problem solver. Ostentatious. Characterized by vulgar or pretentious display, designed to impress. Showy, flamboyant, extravagant, gaudy. He lived in an ostentatious mansion with gold-plated furniture. Her ostentatious jewelry drew the attention of everyone at the party. The charity event avoided being ostentatious and focused on simplicity. Meticulous. Showing great attention to detail, very careful and precise. Precise, detailed, thorough, exacting. She is known for her meticulous work in crafting handmade jewelry. Scientists took meticulous notes during the experiment. His meticulous planning ensured the event was a success. Judicious. Having or showing good judgment or sense. Wise. Prudent. Sensible. Thoughtful. The company made a judicious decision to invest in renewable energy. He was known for his judicious advice, which many people sought. The teacher's judicious use of resources benefited all students. Intricate. Very complicated or detailed. Complex. Elaborate. Ornate. Sophisticated. The artist's work featured intricate patterns and vibrant colors. The plot of the novel was so intricate that it kept readers guessing until the end. The watchmaker repaired the intricate mechanisms with care. Impromptu. Done without being planned or rehearsed. Unplanned. Spontaneous. Ad lib. Extempore. She gave an impromptu speech at the event and impressed everyone. The group decided to have an impromptu picnic in the park. His impromptu performance on stage was surprisingly captivating. Exacerbate. To make a problem, situation, or feeling worse. Aggravate, worsen, intensify, heighten. The heavy rain exacerbated the flooding in the area. His rude remarks only exacerbated the tension between them. Lack of sleep can exacerbate health problems. Detrimental. Tending to cause harm or damage. Harmful, damaging, adverse, injurious. Smoking has a detrimental effect on overall health. The policy change was detrimental to small businesses. Excessive screen time can be detrimental to children's eyesight. Conducive. Making a certain situation or outcome likely or possible. Favorable, beneficial, advantageous, supportive. A quiet environment is conducive to studying effectively. Good communication is conducive to a healthy relationship. The pleasant weather was conducive to outdoor activities. Wary. Feeling or showing caution about possible dangers or problems. Cautious, alert, vigilant, suspicious. She was wary of strangers offering unsolicited advice. The cat was wary of the unfamiliar surroundings. Investors are often wary during times of economic uncertainty. Vivid. Producing powerful feelings or strong, clear images in the mind. Bright. Striking. Vibrant. Graphic. Her vivid description of the event made it easy to imagine. The painting is known for its vivid colors. The painting is known for its vivid colors and intricate details. He has a vivid memory of his childhood adventures. Trivial. Of little value or importance. Insignificant, minor, negligible, petty. They argued over a trivial matter during lunch. Don't focus on trivial details when making major decisions. The issue seemed trivial, but it led to serious consequences. Viable. Capable of working successfully or being achieved. Workable, practical, feasible, achievable. The team presented a viable plan for improving the product. Solar energy is a viable alternative to fossil fuels. Without funding, the project is not a viable option. Succinct. Brief and clearly expressed. Concise, brief, to the point, pithy. His instructions were succinct and easy to follow. The report provided a succinct summary of the findings. She expressed her opinion in a succinct manner during the meeting. To get free PDF of this video lesson, join our Telegram channel, 𝗓𝗏 Classes. The link is in the description below. And if you want to achieve Band 9 in IELTS, you can also join our Premium IELTS Mastery course. Download application 𝗓𝗏 Classes from the Play Store if you have Android phone. If you have iPhone, download Class Plus application and enter ORG code 𝗕𝗵𝗀. For more information, if you want to speak to me regarding IELTS classes or courses, you can text me on my WhatsApp, which is on the screen. Thank you for watching this video and listening to 𝗓𝗏.